Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it again. Another trade is under the belt and fully closed. Let's break down exactly how this unfolded and what insights we can draw for our next move. Our entry at 99,600 faced some turbulence yesterday. At one point, we dipped deeply underwater as Bitcoin slid to 94,300, but here's where low leverage came to the rescue. By keeping the leverage minimal, I even adjusted my entry slightly lower to 99,200 as we watched the market unfold. The bullish divergence flashing on both the 45-minute and 15-minute timeframes acted as a beautiful reversal indicator, signaling that the tide was about to turn. In turn it did. From the lows of 94,300, Bitcoin pumped 7.5% on spot, hitting a high of 101,700 today. That's the kind of textbook move we live for in this market. I wasn't about to round-trip this trade, so I had my eyes locked on the price action as we climbed. To lock in profits, I set conditional profit take orders at strategic levels. My targets were 100,200, 100,500, 100,800, and 101,000. These levels were determined using wave trend and, of course, the heat map. By the time we hit 101,700, my profit targets were fully triggered and I closed the trade. As of recording this video, we're hovering around 101,000. I'm confident that this was a solid exit point and I'm more than happy with today's gains. Hats off once again to the heat map, or as I like to call it, the cheat map. Being quite new and publicly available to us plebs, it's proving to be a game changer. Yesterday wasn't just a strong day for Bitcoin price action, it was also another big day for Bitcoin ETF inflows, with a total of $438.9 million. Leading the charge was BlackRock's iBit ETF, which brought in $296 million alone. Now let's address the FUD that popped up on X.com yesterday regarding rumors of BlackRock moving Bitcoin. Some headlines claimed they had withdrawn over 100,000 Bitcoin to 29 addresses. But let's clarify what this really means. First, moving Bitcoin to new addresses is standard practice for institutional asset managers. This doesn't imply selling. It's routine for security, custodial management, or regulatory compliance. Second, BlackRock itself doesn't own or control the Bitcoin. It's owned by the iShares Bitcoin Trust, a separate legal entity. The trust cannot sell Bitcoin unless it's required to meet redemption requests. Third, when ETF shareholders sell their shares in the secondary market, the trust typically doesn't sell Bitcoin. Bitcoin sales would only occur in the case of primary market redemptions initiated by authorized participants. So, this isn't a sign of selling pressure, it's business as usual for institutional-grade asset management. Now that I'm out of the trade, one thing is certain. I'll be keeping a close eye on the charts for the next setup. The heat map shows that we still have room to move higher, so the direction seems clear to me. At the same time, I'm cautious about further downside risks. Let's see how the market evolves and act accordingly. As always, I'll keep you updated on my trades and any new insights I spot. If you want real-time updates and exclusive insights, make sure to join our Discord community. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments if you nailed your trades today or what you think is next for Bitcoin. And see you in the next one.